Hello friends, myself Jimit Mehta. I am the mechanical engineer and currently I am business owner with Hyundai Material Handling Equipments. Welcome to Soapbox Talks. Thank you Bharat Bhai for this opportunity. So friends, today I would like to share my thoughts on the topic business and job opportunities for today's youth in India. As we all know, India is the second largest populated country in the world, and therefore, there is a lot of middle class population and a professional class population to dispense their income for better product services. So, based on ongoing corona pandemic, I have broadly classified industry into two segments. First is essential, and another is non-essential. Essential service would consist of milk and dairy product industry, the agricultural produce like fruits, vegetables, the FMCG products, also the banking, the healthcare, pharma industry comes under essential. The non-essential would consist more of luxury and lifestyle products like the car automobile industry, clothing industry, textiles, jewelry industry, the tourism industry, and so on and so forth. Then there are few segments which I would say partly is essential, partly non-essential, like the insurance industry, mediclaim industry, real estate industry, education system, etc. So based on my knowledge, I feel few segments which have high growth opportunities in the future. The first and foremost is the e-commerce industry. As India have already entered in the digital race, there is a lot of scope in e-commerce segment. This would consist of the online shopping, could be foods, clothing, groceries, etc. Or there is online entertainment platforms like YouTube. Then again there are other OTT services like Hotstar, Amazon Prime, Netflix, etc. So it makes a lot of sense to invest in e-commerce for future opportunities. The second segment for growth is the energy storage solutions, my friend. As the people are moving away from fossil fuels and more towards renewable sources, there has to be better energy storage solutions. Today's industry is occupied mainly by the lead acid battery, but this will slowly be dominated by the lithium ion batteries. Lithium ion batteries are the future, and therefore investing in lithium ion batteries and allied products will be the next big opportunity. Third business industry, my friends, I would suggest is the warehousing logistics industry, because India is a huge landscape and therefore there has to be a proper supply chain and distribution network. If the organized parties have a proper network of supply chain, it will have a good example on the warehousing and logistic ecosystem. So that is my third option for good future opportunities. The final opportunity I feel has good potential is manpower solutions. As recent times we have seen that laborers are moving away from cities and industrial to their hometowns. So therefore, if you are able to manage manpower, that could be a good business opportunity. So that is all from my end today. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.